Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. In this video, this is like one of the coolest videos, but it has some limitations. But limitations is less, and coolness is crazy. What I mean by that is, I think it's cool only. Let me show you why. What is DNS record? For example, Google.com has an IP address, and Fig.com also has an IP address. SAS Security also has an IP address. Okay, what I mean by that, like whenever user is using internet. So for example, he types in google.com or facebook.com or instagram.com or dash 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 triple x whatever .com. So the request is sent to the DNS server, and then the DNS server responds with some IP address. Like he sends google.com, it will respond with this kind of a number, and that number is sent to the Google web server. Like it matches with through the internet service provider, right? Okay, okay. As you can see, yeah. So what is happening in the man-in-the-middle attack that we can like literally cut that person out from the internet, okay? Like your clouds, keep your damn clouds to yourself. What basically happens is it requests google.com, the person, the victim, from the hacker, and the hacker will respond with an IP address, a fake IP address, and that IP address will be a, let's say, um, let's say, how do I tell you? Basically, you can give him a local, like in your system, offline HTML file, which it will get redirected to. What do I mean by that is you can set up a local web server in which there will be your HTML files that will be shown to the user if we request any website. So he will be redirected to that without him knowing it. For example, if he gets redirected to this that security website, and if you create a same to same fake that security website's HTML file, containing all the CSS and HTML and JavaScript and everything, and the person ends up typing, what is this, Airtel Finance, no, fuck it. So that ends up typing all of this. So what would happen at the end is, yeah, he'll end up typing information in the wrong place. Anyway, this will not work in HSTS, I think HSTS that's called, right? uh, it will work against HTTP, HTTPS, HTTPS, yeah, HTTPS it will work against, but not against that. Anyway, so you need to start the local web server on your Kali machine, because Kali comes with you can set up, like, web servers on it. You can start with service space Apache 2 space start, and it will start, and type if config, and then you'll see your IP address. So this is your IP address of your Kali Linux device. If you type this 10.0.2.15 anywhere, so it will open a local page. I'll show you, like a small default Apache page which you can edit. What do I mean by that? Go to /var /www.com www /html. So these things will open. This is the index.html file. Okay, just copy all of this and delete it. As you can see, there is CSS, HTML, everything written there. There is what else? Pahin ka chala bikini ha. How is this written? Anyway, however it is written, we can edit it. We just removed everything with this single emoji thing. Okay, then we move forward, and as you can see on the target machine, that security is opening properly. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna just simply run the bit recap, and you can see like probe, recon, sniff, stream, and spoof. Stream runs automatically, but spoof and all of these should run. Okay, you understood? So you can straight up run the caplet. In my case, caplet doesn't work properly. I don't know fucking why. Anyway, we'll figure that out. I mean, it works, I guess, but I'm very peculiar. I'm like, maybe it's not working. Anyway, fuck it. Oh, but you can see the DNS spoof is not working here. Can you see? Yeah. Yeah. DNS spoof is not running. So how to make it run? Help space DNS spoof, and it will tell you all the things that you can do on it. So first of all, what we're gonna do right now is um, um, basically you just need to turn on few things. Like I'll tell you what things. DNS spoof all DNS spoof address. Wait a second, I'll show you what do I mean by that. Huh. So if you just DNS spoof dot address, if you will do right, so by default it will be 10.20.2.15. Okay, this will be by default. What is your IP address? That will be your, this one only will be your, you don't have to define anything. Anyway, after that DNS spoof dot all you have to set it to true, and after that DNS spoof dot domains you have got to pass in zatsecurity.com comma stars at security.com, because that's the website we're trying to hack, right? Trying to hack, yeah, of course. DNS spoof host, we can ignore that for now. Let me show you what things they have done. So if the person goes and type this on their device, it will redirect them to this place. This is right now Kali machine only, so don't worry. So DNS spoof all. So you select DNS spoof all. Let me show you. There is some DNS spoof all thing written somewhere. I should have just micro screenshotted it. Set DNS spoof. Okay, I guess this is the place, DNS spoof. I'm unable to find it, yeah. Set DNS spoof all. If you do this only, right? Here is the command I guess that person has typed. So I guess here, I guess, yeah. No, here, I guess. I guess, yeah, here. The person has typed DNS spoof all and pressed enter. And after that, DNS spoof domains. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, then they said DNS spoof domains, set security, and after that, if you see further, you will see after he has put a comma, and after that star and that security. These two commands you need to type: DNS spoof all and this. We can do that easily. And after that, when the person in the, so this is the host, this is the target computer, and you can see it manipulates the website. Anyway, we'll try all of that in the coming time. Till then, take care. Have a pause. I'll set up the lab. I'll come back. Okay, so even I need to write practicals, bro. What the fuck? Assignments decline, by the way. Fuck it. Fuck everything for now. And let's focus on. Uh, what was I doing? I just forgot literally everything. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. So let's go back, and I guess we gotta run. Oh, we have to start the Apache server, right? So that service Apache to start. Service Apache to start. Service Apache to start. Service. Let me just zoom it in. Hey, I ended up typing a typo. I see RVIC service Apache, right? To start. If the spelling is correct. APACHE to APACHE to START. Spellings, bro. Spellings are phobia. Okay. If config, if you do, and if you see this one is your IP address, Control Shift C and go to any browser, no, any browser, then Indian accent, any browser. Oh, wait a second, is not Google running? It's working. So let's copy this IP address, and you can see this is a default Debian page. You can replace it with anything, but for now, as you all know, where the fuck did it go? Yeah, as you know, let me zoom it in fully. Smells like shit, bro. Uh, so, okay, we'll go and Control L, like I guess, right? Windows L. Ah! Anyway, so what was it? Control L, Control U, Control I. How do I type in? How do I search? How do I search for directory? Let's just search this also. Chat GPT. Oh, yeah, it's so slow, yeah. GPT. Oh, bro, it's gonna take lifetime, I guess. In Kali Linux, in directory file manager, what command to type to be able to write directory access, like desk forward slash camera forward slash file. Oh, L है L क्या कंट्रोल L. ओके पहिन के चल बिकनी है. गॉड. कंट्रोल L अलर्ट L. कर काम ही नहीं कर रहा जी. शिफ्ट L. कौन शिफ्ट L. कंट्रोल L. ओके इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. नहीं नहीं भाई इतना दूर मत जाओ हमको फिगर आउट करना है. हाँ. लेट्स गो टू होम. Let's start typing. It's not working, bro. My ass is aching. Yeah. Help is even not helping. Uh, the system crashed. Okay, I'll come back after I fixed it. It's actually left shift L. Okay, let's go to this place where home and let's like shift L. And before even typing anything, like, we should know at least what we are typing. We are typing var www html, right? Var www shift L. शिफ्ट एल क्या लिखना है. वार. We could not find any crap. होम. तो शिफ्ट एल. अच्छा एल दब जा रहा है क्या. अच्छा मेरे को लगा कि मैं सर्च कर पा रहा हूँ. फक क्या. शिफ्ट एल नहीं बे. यार हाउ डू आई डू दैट. एनीवे लेट्स मैनुअली डू इट नाउ. सो वार. वार मिल गया. भाई बे यार. यार. I'll have to search it again. I'll come back after I've done it. मार दो हमको मार दो. It's quite simple, bro. Very simple. Like go to home, press here once, and then like go here and press it once, and then Control L. Anyway, root var, and after that www. After that, HTML. Okay. Mistake. Big mistake. Control L. Or to remove root, I guess. Yeah. So we got index.html inside it, and we just basically gonna open it using. Why am I like this? Why am I like this? Open it using leaf pad node editor, and then we're gonna make it a sad emoji. We are different. Same but different. Now if you're gonna load this website right now on your, run it again and you will see. Okay, it's still running. So we gotta get rid of it and try running it again. Hey, it's still able to load itself. That's crazy. Didn't I save it? ये तो इतना स्लो चल रहा है. कहीं के चाल बिकनी हो. बैंक की पूंछ बंद करो इसको यार. नो नीड टू सेव. कौन इतना स्लो लैपटॉप बनाता है भाई. मेरा पूरा 3060 ग्राफिक कार्ड है. यूज करो मेरे रिसोर्सेज. मार दो मेरे को. मार दो. जिंदा मत रखो. या इट इज देयर. index.html सेव कर रहा हूँ मैं. सेव भी कर दिया. लोड क्यों नहीं हो रहा. कहीं इसमें तो नहीं, कहीं सी में तो नहीं सब कुछ. Let's open with leaf pad node editor. Okay, this could also be it. तो मैं इसको भी, भाई इसको फोटो खींच देता हूँ भाई, कहीं बाद में कान फट गया मेरा. Yep, इसको भी उड़ा देता हूँ. बहिन के चाल बिकनी. What if they both were interacting with each other? Hey, still is loading this only. Oh, it is coming from this place, not that place. Okay, okay. I ended up fucking wrong files, I guess. So let me just undo this then. बहिन के चले. Okay, now I can't undo it. छू छू कर मेरे देश को किया तूने जो इशारा. यही है भाई, यही है, यही है, यही है. इतना हेडेक कैसे हो सकता है भाई किसी इंसान को? क्रेजी हेडेक हो रहा है. सो ये तो सही लोड हो रहा है भाई, ये तो सही है. आई थिंक आई नीड टू डिलीट द फाइल्स. क्या है भाई, ये कितना स्लो क्यों है ये? मूड खराब, तोड़ देंगे अभी लैपटॉप को. क्यों इतना स्लो है भाई? चल है. Okay, I'll do everything. I'll come back and I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so finally could do this. Finally, this is able to load this pain in the ass thing. So what I've done basically, I went to Apache to config file. There were a lot of things in there, which I just selected and removed it. Though for safety reason, I already saved the copy of this file somewhere. So if I just face a problem, I'll come here. Anyway, so let's start doing what we were doing the last time. So after that, we did if config, and you can see everything is working. Now we'll just simply run bettercap. It's 0, right? And we'll try all the things which we have done before, one by one. First of all, let's just turn on the probe, I guess. Okay. Let's do help. Help sniff. Yeah, I'm running out of time. Should I straight up control exit करता हूँ उसको? Clear. Uh, I'll simply run the better cap. Caplet. Better caplet. I mean spoof. Hopefully this will work. I mean, like, we don't see any error though, so I think it is working. So spoof is running. Stream is running. What the fuck? Recon is not running. No, Recon is running. Sniff is running. What are the things you expected to run? It's not running. Okay. Spoof is running. Caplets. I just run the caplet only, bro. Caplet is running. DNS spoof is not running. We will make it run. Proxy we don't need. Server we don't need. DNS. DNS spoof. So I think all of them, whatever we wanted, are working. So right now we'll be typing our command. Oh my god! It's a lifetime long process. So we're gonna type 2 3 things. Okay, we're gonna do help DNS. Help DNS. What is the DNS thing? Oh, by the way, help DNS. What is DNS? DNS spoof control. No, help DNS. Let me type it. Spoof. So okay. Anyway, before even going there, I was saying let's check our Kali Line normal this CMD and ARP space hyphen a. So yeah, this has been this is working. What do I mean by this is working? I mean it's working, it's working. So Pahin ke chal bikne ha. Okay, so it is working and I don't need to open any browser or anything. So let's do DNS spoof again. And these are the things which you can try on it. First of all, DNS spoof address. I think we just type this Control Shift C, and by default it is right. So by default it is interface. I don't have to type that, I guess. So DNS spoof all. Let me just make it true. What do you mean? TRUE true? What is the error? Ah! Kill me. Close your eyes. Kill me. Oh God, we have started HXTS as well. Okay, I gotta. Let me just exit this right now. God, I have done blunders for myself. Not gonna lie. Uh, HXTX is also running. I think because of that, I'm facing this problem. Or maybe not. So let's go to spoof file. So HXTX is not running yet, by the way. Spoof airpix duplex probe on. Oh, actually, it's not running. It's like okay. By the way, we'll try all of these one by one in the Kali Linux. Let's exit it, exit, and let's again try in here. Um, let's start with better gap. First of all, it's zero. Okay, we got in the interface. No, bro, no, we don't want to exit. I'm gonna just copy this file. Copy, also V probe on. So you don't see any problem. Probe and recon running. Probe and recon running. Let's think. Next thing is copying this and pasting it here. What is this? ARP suitable plus 2. True. Okay. Even going here, before going here, I'd like to go back here and I want to do what is this IP config, and you can see the IP address has not changed, but still for security reasons, for safety reasons, for not being dumb reasons. So full duplex turn on true, no error, and we're gonna change it with this file right now. Anyway, same thing. Control C copy, Control V enter, enter. So no error yet. Okay, before ARP spoof we turn it on, we can turn it on by the way. No error or info. So no error is shown by the way right now. So local snooping is also to be turned on. Local snooping to be turned on true. And let's turn on the sniff right now. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. So, so it's saying non-existent domain. Why? Why is it showing the non-existent domain? Did I connect using a wrong place? No, it is connected properly to NAT. And even it is connected to NAT, right? That we have connected. So yeah, it is connected. It is connected to NAT, right? Yeah, it is connected to NAT. Ah, Pahin ke chale bikni hai. Let me just see. Is it able to sniff if I go to Google, Google, whatever I go? Is it able to sniff that? So let us see. Was it able to sniff? Yeah, it went to Google. It was able to sniff that. Yeah, it is working, but Pahin ke chale bikni hai. Okay, we need to set um, service Apache 2 start. Service Apache 2 start. Service Apache 2 start. Service Apache. Okay, so we'll go to this is my domain. See, let's just see. So yeah, it is. Let's run the DNS spoofing attack right now. What do you mean DNS spoofing attack? What does that mean? That means help DNS spoof. Let me full screen it. Help. 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 So shift C and we'll do shift V. Pahin ke chale bikini hai. Address. We'll put in a damn address. It is our address. This one. Error. Invalid. DNS spoof itna. Try help. Fuck it. कहाँ गया भाई कहाँ चला जाता है now we'll try DNS spoof all shift C shift V true like that we do how do we do it how do we do it I guess I'm gonna pause I'll come back again god I'm